Hello and welcome to session 15 of Direct Tax 2, 4th semester BCom of Mangalore University. In this session, we are going to solve problems on depreciation and additional depreciation if applicable. We will be solving two problems. Let's look at the first problem. The WDV of the assets as on 1st of April 19 was as under. Building 1,50,000, the block rate is 10%. Machinery 1,20,000, the block rate is 15%. Furniture worth rupees 40,000, block rate is 10%. Typewriters rupees 5,520, block rate is 15%. And car amount is 80,000 and block rate is 15%. Now there are some assets which can be combined into one block. So as we have learned under section 32, we charge depreciation on block basis. So what is a block of assets? It is a group of assets belonging to a particular class carrying the same rate of depreciation. Now in this problem, we have machinery, we have typewriter and we have car. So all these assets can be grouped together under one block where the rate would be 15%. Then new plant and machinery worth rupees 1,20,000 was installed in the factory on 15th of November 2019. So new machinery is purchased and installed in the factory, that is on 15th of November. Calculate the depreciation and WDV for the previous year 1920. So we will take solution to this particular problem. I record computation of depreciation under section 32, that is for the previous year 1920. So as I said, though we are given with building, machinery, furniture, typewriter and car, we can combine that and put it under three blocks itself. So what I will do is, I will prepare three amount columns. And we will combine the block of machinery, typewriter and car. So I will record the first block as building, where the block rate is 10% as given in the problem. Second, I will record machinery, where the block rate is 15%. And third, we will take furniture and the block rate as 10%. So I will record written down value as on 1st of April 19. As far as building is concerned, the value is 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Now as far as furniture is concerned, the value is 40,000. Now machinery is 1,20,000, the opening block value. Then we have typewriter, which is 5,520 opening value, and then we have car worth 80,000. So these three can be combined as one block and the total value would be 2,05,520. So 2,05,520 will be the block value, opening value of plant and machinery, 2,05,520. Then during the year, very important point now, new machinery worth 1,20,000 was installed in the factory on 15th November 2019. So I record over here, add purchases. Plant and machinery has been purchased and installed in the factory on 15th of November 19. So the value is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. No purchases for building, no purchases for furniture. So I total this. I get 1,50,000. Here I get 3,25,520, and here I get 40,000 rupees. Now, nowhere in the problem there is mention of any sale. There is no sale proceeds at all. So, this number itself will become WDV for depreciation. Written down value for depreciation. Then I record over here less depreciation under section 32. Now, I record on building. Straightforward, no change. So, 1,50,000 into 10% would be the rate of depreciation. So, I directly record 10% of 1,50,000 is 15,000. Then I record depreciation on furniture. Again, there is no purchase, no sale of asset. So, 40,000 is the block value. On that again, the rate is 10% as given. So, this would work out to 4,000. Then we have plant and machinery, or we have on machinery. Now, very important point that we have to note. We have old machine and we have a new machine, and it is mentioned that this machine is installed in the factory. So, there is something called as additional depreciation as well. First of all, if we check, this machine is purchased on 15th of November, purchased and put to use on 15th of November. That means this asset has been used for less than 180 days. Because if we take 16 days of November, 31 days of December, 31 of January, 29 of February and 31 of March. So even if we put together, it is less than 180 days. So half year's depreciation has to be charged on this. Apart from that, since this machine is installed in the factory as given in the problem, it will also attract what is called as additional depreciation. An additional depreciation rate is 20% if it is used for 180 days or more. But since this new plant and machinery is purchased and used for less than 180 days, half year's depreciation again in additional depreciation will be charged. So on machinery, I record first normal depreciation. Normal depreciation. So how much would be the normal depreciation on plant and machinery? So we have 2,05,520 into 15%. So 15% is the basic rate that we have. So 2,05,520 into 15%. So it would be 20,552, and half of that 10,250 plus 26, 276. So it would be 8 to 8, 30,828. 30,828 would be the value of normal depreciation. So 2,05,520 at the rate given at 15%. 15% is the rate. So 2,20,552 plus a half of that, 10,000 to 400. Yes. So total will be 30,828. 30,828. Then we will have this is on old plant and machinery. Now we take the new plant and machinery. On new plant and machinery, 1,20,000. The rate is 15%, but since it is put to use for less than 180 days, we take only half year's depreciation. So 12 plus 6, 18,000. Half of that would be 9,000 rupees. This is normal depreciation. And along with normal depreciation, we will have additional depreciation. Point to note, additional depreciation is calculated only on new plant and machinery purchased and installed in the factory. So 1,20,000 is the value. The additional depreciation on new plant and machinery is always 20%. But since it is purchased and put to use for less than 180 days, only half year's depreciation will be charged. So additional depreciation amount would be 1,20,000 into 20%. That would be 24,000, and half of that will be 12,000. So total depreciation on plant and machinery would work out to 39 40, 41, 51,828. So I total this 39, 40, 41, 51,828 will be the depreciation amount. So total depreciation under section 32 would be 51,828 plus 15,000 plus 4,000. So 51 plus 5, 51, 56, 66, 70,828 will be the depreciation for the previous year 1920, and written down value as on 1st of April 20, that is beginning of the next year, as far as building is concerned would be 1,35,000. As far as furniture is concerned, it would be 36,000, and machinery. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 11 minus 2 is 9, 14 minus 8 is 6, then we have 4 minus 1 is 3, 12 minus 5 is 7, and two lakh 73,692 to 270, 320, 324, 325, 400, 325, 520. So 27 lakh 36,000. Sorry, 2,73,692 will be the written down value that is starting for next year's depreciation. So this is about the first problem on depreciation as well as additional depreciation. Let's move to the second problem. Compute allowable depreciation from the following. Assets are given: computers, plant and machinery, office furniture, office building. Then you are given WDV as on 1st of April 19, 3 lakh rupees, 40% rate for computer. Plant and machinery, 12 lakh, rate of depreciation is 15%. Office furniture, written down value is 90,000, depreciation rate is 10%. And office building is 14 lakh 80,000, depreciation rate is 10%. The assets purchased during the year, buildings was purchased on 14th of July for rupees 8 lakh. 14th of July to 31st of March is full years, used for more than 180 days. Then plant is purchased on 20th of August for rupees 15 lakh. So on this new plant worth 15 lakh rupees, full year's depreciation will be charged, because 20th August to 31st March is definitely more than 180 days. Then there is machinery purchased on 14th of December for 20 lakh. Machinery purchased on 14th of December is given. So 14th December to 31st March 2020 is less than 180 days. So half year's depreciation has to be charged. And books is 40% for profession, that is 40,000 given. So books is just purchased, there is no opening value, and this is done on 10th of November 2019. So 10th of November 2019 to 31st March is again less than 180 days. Then a computer whose cost was 50,000 was sold for 30,000 in January 2020. So cost value is irrelevant. Sale proceeds of computer is 30,000. That is what we will look at. So in this particular problem, we have 5 blocks of assets. We have computers, we have plant and machinery, we have office furniture, and we have office building. Then after that, there is books as well. So there are 5 blocks of assets, and we will take each of the blocks. So I record solution. I record computation of depreciation under section 32 for the previous year 2019-20. So we have 5 blocks of assets. So we will have to prepare 5 amount columns. So I will prepare 5 amount columns, each column for a particular block of asset. So this would be the second column, the third column, the fourth column, and the fifth column. So 5 amount columns we will have to prepare here. So I record first computers, the depreciation rate is 40%. Depreciation rate is 40%. Then we have plant and machinery. The depreciation rate is 15%. Then we have office furniture. The depreciation rate is 10% as given. Then we have office building. The depreciation rate is 10%. And then we have books. Books. The rate of depreciation on books is 40%. 40% is given. Okay, we will begin with now the written down value of each of the asset. So I record WDV as on 1st April 19. Computers is 3 lakh rupees. So I record 3 lakh in this block column. Then plant and machinery is 12 lakh rupees. So I record 12 lakh. Then office furniture is 90,000. So I record 90,000. Office building is 14 lakh 80,000. So 14 lakh 80,000. And then as far as books is concerned, there is no opening value. So I just put a dash. Then record add purchases. Purchases. Purchases during the year or additions during the year. What do we have? The asset purchased during the year, buildings is purchased. Buildings. I record the date of purchase and putting to use. It is 14th of July. 14th of July. And the value of building purchased is 8 lakh rupees. So in the office building column, I record 8 lakh rupees. 8 lakh. Then we have plant. Plant. Plant is purchased on 20th August. 20th August. The amount is 15 lakh. So I record 15 lakh in the plant and machinery column. 15 lakh. Then again there is machinery purchased. So that will also form a part of plant and machinery itself. And this is purchased on 14th of December. Date of purchase and putting to use is very important. And the amount once again in plant and machinery column is 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Then we have books purchased. So I record books over here. And books are purchased on 10th of November. 10th of November. And the value of books purchased is 40,000 rupees. Value of books purchased is 40,000 rupees. So as far as purchases are concerned, that's all we have. So first we will find the total value of each of the block. So computers 3 lakh, no purchases during the year. Here it will be 20, 30, 40, 47 lakh will be the value. Then here no purchase of furniture during the year, so it will be 90,000 rupees. Here it will be 14 plus 8, 22 lakh 80,000. 22 lakh 80,000. And here this is only purchases during the year, 40,000 rupees. Then minus, what do we have? A computer costing 50,000 sold for 30,000. So for us the cost is not important because we are deducting the value based on block basis. So sale proceeds, we have only one, sale proceeds of computer. Sale proceeds of computer is given and the amount recovered is 30,000 rupees. So no sale of assets of the other block. So I just total the value, deduct, I get 2,70,000. Here I get 47 lakh. Here we get 90,000. Here we have 22 lakh 80,000. And here we have 40,000. So these are the asset values as far as the written down value before depreciation. So these are the values, 2,70,000. So this is written down value for depreciation. Then we have less depreciation. Less depreciation, that is under section 32. Depreciation under section 32. Now we'll take each of the asset in detail. So we will take depreciation on computers. So I record depreciation on computers, the rate is 40%. So 40%, there is no purchases of computers during the year. So 2,70,000 into 40% would be 27, 1 lakh 4, 2,14,000. So 2,14,000 would be the depreciation. 27,000, 27, it will be 1,14,000. 1,14,000 will be the depreciation amount. That would be 27,000 plus 27, which will be 47, 54. 54 plus 54 is 1,08,000. Sorry. So it would be 1,08,000. Machinery we will take later. Office furniture. So rate of depreciation is 10%. So on that we will get 9,000. Then office building is given. We have the opening value and we have purchased on 14th of July. 14th of July is full year's depreciation. So on this 22,80,000 we can calculate directly at 10%. So that would work out to 2,28,000. 2,28,000. Then we have books. There is no opening value, but books were directly purchased on 10th of November. So I record over here depreciation on books. How do we calculate? The amount is 40,000 into 40%. That's the rate of depreciation into half the year. Why half the year? Because it is purchased and put to use for less than 180 days. So 10th November to 31st March would be definitely less than 180 days. So 40,000 into 40%, that would be 16,000, and half of that is 8,000 rupees. So depreciation on books would be 8,000 rupees. Now moving on to one more asset, we have plant and machinery. And in plant and machinery we have opening value, then we have two purchases during the year. There are two purchases during the year. We need to calculate depreciation on plant and machinery. So I record plant and machinery. First what I will do is, I will record normal depreciation. Normal depreciation. Now as far as normal depreciation is concerned, on 12 lakh plus 15 lakh. This 15 lakh worth plant is purchased on 20th of August. So 20th of August till 31st of March is definitely more than 180 days. So I can combine this 27 lakh into 15%. 27 lakh into 15%. That would be 27 lakh into 15%. That would be around 2,70,000 plus 1,35,000. So that would be 4,05,000. Yes. So this would be 4,05,000. So I record 4,05,000. Then we have this 20 lakh worth machinery purchased on 14th of December. So 20 lakh into 15%, but this is used for half the year because it is purchased on 14th of December. So 14th of December to 31st of March is less than 180 days. So 15% of 20 lakh. 10% is 2 lakh. 15% is 3 lakh. And half of 3 lakh is 1,50,000. It would be 1,50,000. Then we have additional depreciation. Additional depreciation. Remember, we assume that this plant and machinery was purchased and put to use for less than, installed in the factory and used for production. So additional depreciation is applicable on both this plant and machinery. So 15 lakh is the value. 15 lakh into 20%. 20% is the additional depreciation rate. And this 20th August worth machine was purchased and used for more than 180 days. And additional depreciation rate is 20%. So 20% of 15 lakh. 10% is 1,50,000. 20% would be 3 lakh. So 3 lakh is the amount. And then we have this on 20 lakh. The additional depreciation rate as usual is 20%. But this 20 lakh worth asset is purchased and put to use for less than 180 days. So half year's depreciation will be charged. 20 lakh into 20% would be around 4 lakh. Half of that is 2 lakh rupees. So total depreciation, normal depreciation and additional depreciation put together will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 lakh 55,000. So I record 10 lakh 55,000 would be the depreciation amount. 10 lakh 55,000 would be the depreciation amount. And after deducting depreciation, the value of all the assets as far as computers is concerned, we will get 1,62,000. 1,62,000. 47 lakh minus 10 lakh 55,000. So 47 minus 11 would be 35 lakh 45,000. So 35, 45, 46. So it will be 36 lakh 45,000. 36 lakh 45,000 will be the value after depreciation. This would be 81,000. This would be 22 lakh 80,000. So it will be 20 lakh 52,000. 20 lakh 52,000 and 40 minus 8 would be 32,000. And these values are WDV as on 1st April 20, that is starting next year. This was for current year, 1st April 19. These will be the values for next year. So total depreciation on computers is 1,08,000. On plant and machinery is 10,55,000. On office furniture is 9,000. On office building is 2,28,000. And on books it is 8,000. So if we add up all these numbers, we will get depreciation on these 5 blocks of assets. So important point in the problem is this plant and machinery. So as usual, we have to charge normal depreciation. Normal depreciation on 12 lakh you can calculate. Normal depreciation on 15 lakh you can calculate for full year. So I have just combined 12 plus 15 is 27 lakh into 15%. So that would be 27 lakh into 15%. It is 2 lakh 70 plus 1 lakh 35. So that would be 4 lakh 5,000. Then on this 20 lakh rupees, the normal depreciation is 15%. But since it is put to use for less than 180 days, half year's depreciation. So 20 lakh into 15% would be 3 lakh and half of that is 1,50,000. Other than the normal depreciation, we also have additional depreciation on these assets. Assuming these are purchased and installed in the factory, used for production. Additional depreciation concept is applicable only for plant and machinery installed in the factory. So we have additional depreciation. The value is 15 lakh. Additional depreciation rate is 20%. So 15 lakh into 20% is 3 lakh rupees. Then since this was used for more than 180 days, whereas this machinery purchased for rupees 20 lakh, additional depreciation rate is 20%, purchased on 14th December. That is purchased and put to use for less than 180 days, so half year's depreciation. So 20 lakh into 20% would be 4 lakh and half of that is 2 lakh rupees. So total depreciation normal is 5 lakh 55,000 and additional is 5 lakh. So 5 lakh 55 plus 5 total is 10 lakh 55,000. This is an important aspect in this particular problem. So these problems on additional depreciation applicable only on plant and machinery, as you see over here, applicable only on this asset, plant and machinery, and very importantly installed in the factory and used for production. I hope these two problems are clear. Thank you.